Number 1. 1997 GMC Sierra 1500, price $5,000, equipped with a 5.7L V8 engine and an automatic transmission. It has 225,000 miles on the odometer and runs and drives great. The truck features a clean white exterior paired with a tan interior, and it runs on gasoline. The AC blows cold, making it comfortable for everyday use. In the past 5 months, several key components have been replaced, including the alternator, water pump, brake booster, and fan clutch, ensuring dependable performance. While the truck is mechanically solid, it does have a few cosmetic imperfections. The rear bumper is bent from a minor rear-end incident, and the left front hubcap is missing. Additionally, the plastic interior shows signs of age with some cracking. Number 2. 1997 Chevrolet 2500, price $10,000. The truck features a new AC compressor, a resealed intake manifold, and refreshed ignition components, including new plugs, wires, and cap/rotor. The belt, tensioner, and idler have also been replaced, along with all 4 oxygen sensors. Its transmission has been serviced with a new filter and filled with synthetic fluid, while the front brake caliper has been recently renewed for improved stopping power. Before the current owner purchased it, the water pump and alternator were replaced, and since then, additional upgrades such as a new radiator, shocks, and fuel pump have been installed. The engine has been consistently maintained with Mobil 1 oil every 5,000 miles for the past 32,000 miles, and the rear differential runs on premium AMSOIL gear oil. Number 3. 1977 Ford F150, price $8,250. This truck is a classic pickup that combines power, character, and vintage appeal. Showing 124,000 miles on the odometer, it features an automatic transmission paired with a strong and reliable 400M engine that runs smoothly and sounds great through its hooker comp headers. Finished in a striking purple exterior with a black interior, the truck runs on gasoline and has undergone several updates, including replacement of the cab floors and box sides. It also comes with a variety of additional parts that the current owner never had the chance to install. While the truck remains mechanically sound, it does have some rust, with the box floor being the area that needs the most attention. A detailed list of mechanical issues requiring attention is included for transparency. Number 4. 1984 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000. It runs on gasoline and features black carpet, new door panels, and a new bench seat. Though the seat belts and headliners still need to be installed, power comes from a 350 engine board to 358 cubic inches, built with forged flat-top maul pistons, Eagle 6-inch rods, bow tie heads with trick flow studs, dark pushrod guides, and a 305H comp hydraulic flat tappet cam, paired with an MSD Street Fire distributor. It also includes a Holly Blue electric fuel pump and a dual electric fan aluminum radiator for improved performance. The truck has a rebuilt title due to theft and some rust on the bed floor, but it remains solid overall. An aftermarket radio with new speakers is installed, and a detailed list of mechanical notes and needed repairs is included. A rare and well-upgraded classic ready for finishing touches. Number 5. 1992 GMC Sierra 1500, price $6,800. This truck is a well-preserved example of classic American craftsmanship, offering both reliability and timeless style. Finished in a bold blue exterior, it's powered by a strong 5.7-liter V8 engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission and dependable 4x4 capability, ready to handle anything from daily driving to weekend adventures. With 179,000 miles on the clock, the Sierra still runs like new, reflecting the care it has received over the years. The truck features full power options, ice-cold air conditioning, hot heat for winter comfort, and a modern Bluetooth stereo system for hands-free connectivity and entertainment. Inside and out, it blends rugged utility with comfort and convenience. Number 6. 1989 GMC 1500, price $6,500. Clean and reliable classic pickup with only 78,000 original miles on it. Powered by a 5.7L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, this 2WD long bed truck runs strong and starts right up every time. Despite its age, the interior is in excellent condition, featuring matching red upholstery and exterior paint that give it a timeless look. The truck has been well cared for and kept in the family mainly because of its low mileage and solid condition. It has a clean Carfax history, runs quietly, and offers low gearing, making it ideal for hauling or daily work use. With its dependable performance and classic design, this GMC 1500 is the perfect work truck for anyone seeking durability, simplicity, and vintage character. Number 7. 1968 Ford F150, price $7,500, with approximately 150,000 miles on the odometer. It features a manual 3-speed transmission and runs on gasoline. The truck retains its original yellow paint from Washington State and has a clean, simple interior that complements its vintage charm. Under the hood, it's powered by a 240 CID engine and has been well maintained with numerous new parts installed recently, including a new windshield and gasket, seat cover, tires, brakes, clutch, carburetor, spark plugs, wires, cap, rotor, points, condenser, muffler, battery, rear main seal, and pinion seal. After being parked from 1982 until just 2 years ago, when it was brought to Kansas, the truck now runs and drives well, showing that careful attention has been given to its revival. All receipts for the recent work and parts are available, offering transparency and confidence in its upkeep. Number 8. 1999 Ford Ranger, price $3,900. It features a manual transmission paired with a dependable 3.0L V6 engine, offering smooth shifting and a solid balance of power and efficiency. The truck comes in a striking red exterior complemented by a clean tan interior, giving it a timeless and classic appearance. Everything functions exactly as it should. The air conditioning blows cold, all systems operate properly, and the truck drives strong and confidently. The clutch and battery were recently replaced, adding to its reliability and making it ready for many more miles ahead. Overall, this Ranger has been well maintained and remains a tough, trustworthy pickup that combines classic looks with dependable performance. Number 9. 1996 Ford F150, price $3,500. The current owner has personally logged about 300 miles behind the wheel, confirming that it's a functional and dependable old truck, though anyone planning to make it a daily driver should be prepared to give it some attention and care. Equipped with a working 4x4 system, this F150 isn't trying to pass as a showpiece. Instead, it's a genuine workhorse with personality. It's the kind of truck that invites you to tinker, wrench, and maybe even curse a little along the way before ultimately rewarding you with pride and satisfaction once it's dialed in. Like any older truck, it comes with a bit of character and a touch of imperfection, perhaps even a small oil leak or two, included free of charge. While she will start with a jump, the owner recommends bringing a trailer for transport. Number 10. 1978 Chevrolet K30, price $5,000, finished in off-white with a brown interior, showing approximately 99,000 miles and equipped with an automatic transmission. It features factory air conditioning, a new carburetor, new fuel pump, and recently replaced valve cover gaskets. The transmission was rebuilt before the current ownership, and although the actual mileage is unknown, it was purchased as a father and son project before the son switched to a more economical daily driver. The truck last ran about 2 months ago and will start briefly with starter fluid, but the fuel system needs to be drained and the carburetor cleaned. Typical rust is present in common areas, and the driver's door has an old Bondo repair from a previous dent. Overall, it's a solid vintage K30 project with good bones and classic appeal.